Hello guys, this is Gideon. This happens to be my second video for this edit. First of all, I would like to take you through how to use a computer, more especially on how to use each applications. If you see critically here, there are a lot of things on the computer here. First of all, if you see, this is the monitor, the so-called screen. And down here is the taskbar. This one here happens to be the search bar, and these ones are the icons. These are the apps. If you see here, these ones, they are the apps. But for us right now, we are interested in how to deal with networking, things concerning with the networks, especially the Google and the component in it is YouTube. We want to search things and we get things on the YouTube and how to operate it and use. First of all, in order to connect into the internet, you need to connect your video, your PC, your computer into the internet. So Google Chrome is double clicking it as we wait. You see, now it is here for us. We're interested in YouTube. You see, there are a lot of things here. YouTube apps, there are a lot of things here for us. We're interested in YouTube. Go and double click. So in this YouTube, let's say it happens, there are a lot of things here. If you scroll down, there are a lot of things. Education, things concerning sports, movies, entertainment, politics. There are a lot of things there. Before we go to more things, there also in this YouTube there are a lot of components here. It's more icons here. First of all, if you go to this one, this is where if you go somewhere, you'll come down, then you will come back like this one here. This is where you type home, then you may come back. Then this one here, this is where the short movies are. You go and type on it. This is where the short movies are. A lot of short movies here. A lot of them. For example, this one here. This one is playing piano. So the short movies. Okay. And then subscription. This is where things are. You see, this is really going to be this are the things. This is and then the channels. Okay, these are the things which you have subscribed before. You come, you scroll down, there are many things here, there are many things here, there are things here, which ones you like. And then this is where your channel is, and then this is how your things are, like the histories, those things, the latest thing, the YouTube, the things to like 5 hours. You have seen that stuff right now. This is where the latest things you have seen, mostly they're all here. And then these are your videos, the ones which you created and posted. These are the ones. And then this watch later. These are the things. And then these are the like movies. There are many things if you scroll down. Most of them they're here. So this one, if you go this second, this is where most of your things are. They're here. You see clear all the words, histories, you post the things, you manage your history, the comment, the post, and that focus. If you move also here, this is where the shots button is. The shots because you come and put there where the shot is. Then you make it, you double click, you make it active, and then you search like this one's here, boys, sports, whatever you want. And then this is where you code your voice and you send, and the feedback will be given up to you. And then this is the most important, where you go, you add what is there. If you add, this is you add you create and welcome. If you want to create an account, this is where you go. Then these are the notifications. The new video someone has posted, that one which you have subscribed for before. Then this is where your account is. Allow me to take us through in this YouTube. Later I will take you to the academics thing. If you want to know more things like in schools, most times you may fail to understand what I've been taught. So this is the best channel where you may type whatever you fail to understand, and then you may get to understand until your free time when you get back from your school. Like for instance, our case, I will take you to fail to understand what's the periodic table. When you first type, first of all you go and make the thing active, the church. You go and make it for even when you type periodic table. You go and type where there's periodic table. Type where there's periodic table. So you see the things there. Scroll down on what you want. Things there. You see the periodic table. The things there. The periodic table. Like this one. You double click on it. You see this ones. You see?
Let's call this our mini periodic table.
You see?
We'll talk about the lower rows later on in this video.
You see?
So I'd like you to pause the video here and go ahead and sketch out.
So those are the stats. Not only which ones, they will show a lot of things like the sports. A lot of things as I showed like sports. Right now let me take what is taking place. Let me take like Arsenal. The Arsenal transfer window. You see? Arsenal transfer window. What is that? You scroll down like the things to get more. There are many things that you see. Yes, that's our transfer window. Starting signing for Arsenal or what. There are many things still here. You see, many things. Like also for those ones who like music. Those ones who like music. Music, you see, music. Don't need any informations. Type on it. You see, trending musics. So, if you want, there are many things on the YouTube. So, it happens that you will see here for the next time. The little movies also coming in. Please don't forget to subscribe into it. However, there's one thing which I've left out. How to subscribe for someone. How to subscribe for someone is the most important thing. Like for instance, if you want to subscribe for someone, assuming you know the person's name, when you got the person, this is where you're going to subscribe for the person. For instance, if you want to subscribe for someone, this is where it is. This is where it is. So you go and subscribe here. You go and subscribe here for the person. For me, I've subscribed it before. And then you come here. This is where you like it. If you like it, this is where you go and type. Then this is where you don't like it. And then this is where if you want to sell on someone, this is where you're going to sell. And also this one, that is where you're going to get many things. You want to download, you want to download things. You want to save things, there are many things here. So please go and type professional standard and then subscribe for the version. Don't forget to subscribe please. So I call upon the subscription, please subscribe and we'll meet in the next video. Love you all. God bless you.